look, I want us all to be aware of something, because I continuously keep hearing this, that AI is going to be the demise of us. AI is going to destroy us. AI is this. AI is that. When in fact, AI is here to be able to help you do the things that you want to do. And I'll continue to share with you. AI will transition our job industry. It will take away jobs. And this is where you have to be able to transition with it. And that's why your energy and your vibration and your thought process of how you're going to use it is so important, which that is why we share at the Hello LLC. You have to be able to shift your mindset, because how you do one thing is how you do everything. And that's why your systems and your foundations is so important, so you can be able to make that transition and not have to do it manually. AI is not going anywhere, okay? And I'm here to share with you all that it's going to create so much advantages for us all to be able to have and create and do anything and everything we want. No longer do you have any more limitations of what you can and cannot do anymore. We now get to create at the speed of thought. You're going to be able to think it and it will create it. And now we literally get to do what we as humans were meant to do, create. And so do not deny this new technology, this learning language technology. It's like people tried to deny the calculator, just like people tried to deny the computer, just like people tried to deny the cars, just like people tried to deny the social media. And here it is again, we're being challenged by what we don't know. And that is always what's so. And what you don't know, it can either be fearful or it can be an advantage. So I'm here to share with you, change your mindset. What we do is we help you implement new technology so you don't have to do things the old way. Well, I need to do it like I used to. The used to is the wrong way. We now have technology that can be able to help you get over your fear, help you get over the things that you don't want to do. This AI, it can do it for you, and you can automate it and you can implement it into your business no matter what you do. Change your energy to change your world, and you can do that in all aspects of your life. Whether you've got to be able to implement this new technology, because we're not going backwards, we're moving forward. Be able to understand the future's already here, and AI is here, but implementation is what's going to separate you. And so that's where we can help you be able to separate yourself and being able to create the things that you want to create just by the thought process.